I'm like, hold up, wait a minute. They let me in it, they let me in it. They be like, oh, that man, at a minute. Okay. I be like, no, look.
Hey, what's going on, man?
What's going on?
This is Bailey, right?
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing, man? This is my name's Swizz. I was talking to you about the bike on OfferUp.
All right. Yeah. So you said you had the money and everything. You wanted to come look at it today. I mean, I'm right here in St. Pete. I think you're in St. Pete too, right?
Yeah, I'm in St. Pete.
If you want to come look at it today, I'm pretty sure the bank's closed already. I mean, it's like 7-something o'clock. So I mean, you're not going to pay me the money. I'm not going to take any cash from anything. I just rather you, if you want to come look at the bike and you say, yeah, I want the bike or whatever, it runs good, you can come look at it, whatever. That way we'll just you can ride with me to the bank. It's right over to the bridge here going toward McDill, kind of.
Yeah, it's Navy Federal. Yeah, that's right on East Bay.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
If you would just ride down there with me, we'll talk to the people there and be like, hey, he's going to pay the bike off, and the title will be transferred over in your name and everything, so I'm not going to take any money. And the extra money that I want, I'll just pay out of pocket to get out of the loan so you get the title for it if you want the bike.
Okay, so this is my question. I normally work, so I'm going to be at work for the rest of this week. So is there any way that we could just, sign, a paper or something saying that I gave you the money, man, and, I just trust you to go get it done for me?
If you want to do that and go that route, I'm sure we can. I don't have a printer here at my place to print up any kind of official document, but if you wanted to sign something or print one up or write one up or something and bring it over, you're going to come look at the bike today and sign some paperwork or whatever, and that way if you want the bike, it's your bike, it'll stay right here in my garage until, I'll go, because tomorrow I'll run over if you want to give me the money or whatever. I'll get all that taken care of, and I'll take your information so I can make sure that they put all your information there down for the title.
Okay, yeah, that'd be perfect, man. And that'd actually be better for me because, like I say, man, I work so much, I won't even have time to go do it.
Yeah, I'm active duty in the military. I'm Coast Guard. So, I mean, I'm not going to try to fuck anybody over. It'll come back on me pretty bad.
Yeah, man. Hey, man, I appreciate that, man. And the thing is, man, if getting this bike will really help me out a lot, cause man, I had a bike and they stole it from me. So, what I'm saying, I just want to get back on two wheels, man, as fast as I can.
Well, I told them, in the description and everything, the fairings is off of the bike. So right now, the front clip and everything is off because the ram air duct, the little plastic piece that the front clip sits on, that was broken, in the little bolt holes that holds it on.
Mm-hmm.
You can still ride it, but it just doesn't have headlights or anything on it right now.
Okay.
You can get it registered and everything, but they don't have the headlights and stuff on it. Like I said, if you want to come look at it today, I'm free right now.
All right.
Ride over if you're free. That way you can take a look at it. That way you can make a final decision if you want a bike or anything.
Okay, yeah, man, no problem. And I'll come right now, actually.
All right, that's fine.
All right, man, you can just text me your address.
All right, I'll do that.
Okay.
Is your cell phone number?
Yeah, this is my cell phone.
All right, I'll text you the address then.
All right, man, thank you.
All right, no problem.
Yes, sir. Hey, man. Y'all heard that conversation, man? Let's get it started. Hey, so right now, we on the way riding to my boy, man. We gotta go pick my boy up, because if I do end up getting the bike, I need somebody to be able to follow me back to the house, So, yeah, man. I don't know if y'all excited or not, but I'm excited, man. I don't even want to really, tell y'all what kind of bike it is. Should I keep that to the end? I might just have to keep that to the end. But yeah, man, we on the way, man. On the way. It's been too long, man. I gotta get some footage for y'all, man. Got to. And it's a good deal. This gonna be a steal, man. I don't know, man. I can't wait. I'm excited, man. Y'all, I hope y'all excited like I am, cause I'm excited. You know, all my sliders in the comments, man, turn up. Turn up with me, man, cause I'm hyped. I'm up, man. I'm hyped. Can't nothing bring me down right now. We 3 up. You know that. But alright, man, I'm gonna hit y'all up on the way back to the bike. You know what? Hey, I'm outside, bro.
Alright, okay.
Okay. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hey.
Hey, is that you in the Nissan?
Yes, sir.
Alright, just turn left right there.
Okay.
And call it the garage up over here.
Alright.
Smiling in my face, who would've ever known? Why these niggas break when you put pressure on? I swear when they can't relate, then it's a better song. I just pray, I knew that I would make it up out of it one day. When you having paper, they treat you a certain way. Gotta why these niggas been moving strange. Then I had my daddy, he told me the same thing. And I had my daddy, he told me the same thing.